Hey, what's up? Today is jam-packed. We're going to talk about Meta and all these sales, and deals that they have. We're going to talk about Hyperscape, the good and the bad. We're going to talk about Reality Labs. And oh yeah, I got to correct a video that I did last week on a product. So we're going to talk about that. We got some games and a full-fledged gameplay at the end. So stay tuned, sit back, buckle up. This is going to be a packed one. It's Meta Monday, y'all. Let's go. Welcome to the channel. I'm Viper, and today is Meta Monday. This is episode 4, and we're going to dive right into Meta and their sales. Meta right now has some crazy sales going on. You can get 20% off of all the games using code ViperVR. 20%, just plug it in. Boom, that's it. This is the time that you buy your games because it's mega sales going on right now. You can get a Quest 3S. If you got somebody that's just getting into VR, they don't want to spend a lot of money, but they want to see what it's all about, now is the time. If you got a Costco membership, it's $200. That gets you the Quest 3S, 12 months of Horizon Plus, and you guys know how I feel about Horizon Plus. I think it's one of the best deals in the App Store. $7.99 or $60 a year for all the games they got in there. That's crazy. Horizon Plus is one of the best deals. It comes free with this sale with Costco's. If you got a Costco's membership and you looking to get into VR, Costco's is the way. But if you don't, then you can hit Best Buy. Best Buy got the second best deal. You pay $250 for the Quest 3S. You get a $50 Best Buy gift card. And they're giving you 1 month free of Xbox Ultimate. So Best Buy has the second best deal if you're trying to get a Quest 3S. And the third best one is Amazon. It's $250. You get a $50 Amazon gift card, and it's like a Gorilla Tag bundle. If you into Gorilla Tag, or you got some little kids that want to get it, or if you buying it for somebody in that age demographic that like that, boom, this is the one to get them because it gives them all kinds of perks when you buy that from Amazon. Those 3 ways are the perfect way. And hey, if you don't have it, then they also on Meta.com has the Pay Later, Play Now bundle. It comes with 2 years of Horizon Plus, 2-year warranty, but it's $30 a month. That's for the Quest 3. If you don't want to shove out all that cash at this moment and you just want to pay monthly, that's a way to get you a headset. So there's all kinds of crazy deals out there to get you into VR, to buy your new games. Grab it while you can. The next thing we're going to talk about is Hyperscape. Hyperscape is like Gaussian Splat, where you can scan your room, a place, the backyard, outside, a location. You can scan it and it goes to the server, it comes back, and then you can actually go into that environment. Now, the update to it is that you can invite somebody in there, which is bonkers. You can invite somebody that's halfway across the world into your home, into your space, which is crazy. It looks phenomenal. They got other ones up there like Gordon Ramsay and all that. They got some other ones you can go into when you do your own spot and then you go back to it. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. But now you get to invite somebody into it. And I'm thinking of ways, man, I can invite this person. If this person had a headset, or my sister that's really far away from me, I can invite her in. We can be in my home if she's never seen it, and boom, like that. It's a lot of different ideas that I've been thinking about using it. Now, the bad part about that is, first came out, I did a scan, it worked perfectly, nothing happened. But now with this update, when I tried to scan my studio, it scanned it, uploaded. I went back to check, it was like, failed. I'm like, what happened? Like, it went to the server and it fails. The bad part about that is, I took my time. It took me a long time to do that. It just didn't work. I don't know what that's all about, but I did see some content creators, they did it and they visited each other's home. It was great. It does work, but maybe, the Horizon 83 bugs. Y'all know how I've been talking about Horizon 83. Maybe I had the one that's broke and that's not working yet. I didn't even see any way to invite somebody to my home. Maybe I don't have that feature yet, but as soon as I get it, trust me, I will be trying it. The next thing we're going to get into is Reality Labs. Reality Labs got this world building for Horizon Worlds that you can just speak the world that you want. Think about that. You just speaking what you want. Make me a medieval times world that's dark with this and that. You give them the whole prompts, and it's building these worlds for you. From what I can see, I'm not a world builder, but from what I was digging up and I was looking at and I did the information on, all you have to do is speak into this new engine that they have, and they start building these worlds for you. I think that's fantastic. I'm really, really interested to see what type of worlds people are going to start to build with this new engine. Speaking a world into existence. It has to make you guys work a lot easier. Let me know. I don't know nothing about the world building, so put it in the comments. Let me know if that's something that really helps you guys. Is that a game changer for Horizon Worlds now? Will worlds finally start to look real? I'm curious, so please leave it in the descriptions. Let me know how that is turning out. All right, I got to make a correction on a review I did. AMVR came out with a golf club, an updated one. This is the AMVR GA1. This golf club is weight heavy, it's solid, carbon fiber, and what I did not know is this piece right here, I thought this is what make the haptics go. That's not the truth. What's true is that this is a weight to give this golf club more weight to feel like an actual golf club. The thing that gives it haptics is inside of this golf club, it's a weight that goes up and down when you swing it. And up here is an adjustment knob. And this right here is how you adjust the weight that's inside to make it loose or harder. So this right here, I did not mention, so I wanted to mention it to you guys. And the feedback does not come with this. It comes with the weight that's inside. If you guys want to see the full review of this, I'll leave it in the description if you're interested in it. But it's perfect for Golf Plus, Walkabout Mini Golf, something like that. If you're into golf, I highly recommend it. Check it out. Now let's talk about this game that's taking everybody by storm. Is Deadpool. The first thing I heard is, oh my God, it is $50. This game is expensive. And everybody's saying, is it worth it? From all the reviews that I've been seeing and the people that I talk to, it is absolutely worth it. I haven't played it yet. I want to play it all the way through. I need time to play it. This is on my list to play. This is something that I'll probably be playing over the holidays because I can take a break and start playing it. But I want to play this game from start to finish. It looks funny and it looks right up my alley when it comes to shooting and the gore and all that stuff. I want to mention that game because people are talking about Deadpool VR. Are you getting it? Leave in the comments, let me know, have you played it? Is it what they're talking about? Let me know if what they're saying and what they're telling me is absolutely true. All right. And it's another immersive story, interactive story called 10 Hearts that's coming out in December. So 10 Hearts is 10 soldiers, T-I-N, not T-E-N, 10 soldiers that you guide through this magical puzzle immersive world. Slash game, but not really. It's pretty much just like an interactive story. It looks kind of good. Something that I am going to try. It piques my interest. Sometimes they be fantastic. Sometimes not so much. I don't know until I actually get into it. It's something that I will be looking out for. So I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. Look out for that. All right, last on my list, this game right here. I truly enjoyed it. The demo came out a long time ago. I played it, but I wanted a lot more. And now it's finally out. It reminds you of Time Crisis. This game right here is called Aim Assault. Aim Assault VR, it's got that Time Crisis feel. It even got the little Time Crisis guns when you look at it in VR. And right now they got the full game that's out. I played it, talking about having some fun. Everything don't have to be so serious. Everything don't have to grind and grind and grind and grind. Sometimes you just want to jump in and have some fun. I like this arcade shooting style games, and this right here satisfies that Time Crisis itch I've been having in VR. And I did a whole full review on it. It'll be out this week. But for you guys that stayed towards the end, I'm gonna show you a little bit of that right now. Check it out.
Save the president before it's too late.
Woo. Stage clear.
Ooh, let's go. We all gonna die here.
Action.
Stage clear.
It keeps me on my toes.
Action.
Stage clear.
Keep me on my toes. Let's go, let's go.
Action.
If you like Time Crisis,
Stage clear.
Action.
and you always want to get that thing. Oh,
Reload.
look at
Stage clear.
that dude was right
Action.
there. Couldn't even see him.
Stage
you like
clear.
that Time Crisis, like really quick action.
Stage clear.
You like that really quick action, and you
Reload.
missed that
Stage clear.
kind of game, then you will love
Stage
this
clear.
right here. Aim Assault. If you like this type of arcade shooter, I say get it. And if you like Time Crisis, then I know this is a definitely must buy for you. And if you could be so kind to hit that like button right there, it's free. It costs you nothing. It's absolutely free. You don't need no code or nothing. You just hit the button and boom, it works. It's free. Thank you guys a lot for doing that. It helps the channel out. YouTube loves it. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching another Meta Monday. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.